Hello everyone. In today's session, we'll start with a new chapter of 12th NCERT textbook Biology, which is unit number 10, chapter number 13, Organisms and Population. So let's start our today's session with a new chapter, Organisms and Populations. This is chapter number 13 in 12th NCERT Biology under unit 10, Organisms and Population. Now first we should understand what is ecology to understand what are organisms and what are populations and how are they interactions. So first let us try to understand what is ecology and what's the definition, from where it is derived, like that. So if we look at the term ecology, it is derived from a Greek word ekos, means house, logi means study. Ecology means basically it is a study about our surroundings. Our house itself is ecology, right? And earlier, what are the terms of ecology? Before this term ecology was coined, what are the synonyms of ecology? One is called hexecology, other one is called ethology. These are the other names of ecology. Then who coined the term ecology? So he is a German scientist. His name is Ernst Haeckel. In the year 1869, he coined the term ecology. He coined the term ecology. And then if we have to see what is the definition of ecology, right? So ecology means it is the study. It's a branch of biology which deals with the study of interaction among organisms. How are we interacting among ourselves? So it is branch of biology which deals with the study of interaction among organisms and interaction of organisms with the environment. How are we interacting to light, water, soil, temperature? So that is the definition of ecology. So what's the definition of ecology? So we tell that ecology is a branch of biology which deals with the study of interaction among organisms and the interaction of organisms with the environment and the interaction of organisms with the environment. This is one way of giving the definition of ecology. We can go with another definition of ecology also. Instead of telling interaction among living organisms, we can tell interaction among biotic factors. Instead of telling interaction of living organisms with non-living things, we can tell interaction with the abiotic factors. So we can tell it's a branch of science which deals with the study of interaction among. Instead of calling living organisms, we are telling among biotic factors, living factors, and the interaction, and it's the interaction of biotic factors with, instead of non-living things or the environment, we'll tell abiotic factors. This is another definition of ecology. This is the other definition of ecology, right? So this is a definition of ecology. Who coined the term ecology and who is the father of ecology? So who is the father of modern ecology? Adam is the father of modern ecology. And who is the father of Indian ecology? Ramdeo Mishra is revered as the father of, is considered as the father of Indian ecology. Let us write. So who is father of modern ecology means the father of modern ecology is P. Adam. And who is referred or considered as father of Indian ecology means, so it is R.D. Mishra, Ram Deo Mishra. Again, an Indian born scientist, Ramdeo Mishra. Okay, he is father of Indian ecology. Now, as I told you, in 10 units, we need to study or we need to collect the information related to 10 scientists. Now, it's the turn to study about Ramdeo Mishra before starting ecology, because he is father of Indian ecology and this content will be there in NCERT. So, let's get into the topic Ramdeo Mishra before starting the chapter. Okay, so let's discuss about Ramdeo Mishra. Who is he? What did he where did he study? What are his specializations? In which way he helped the science? What are the awards and rewards he got? All those things we need to discuss. When he is born. Then we will start a chapter with organisms. The chapter is organisms and population. Now when we talk about the Indian ecologist, his name is R.D. Mishra. As we told, as the NCERT says, like he is considered as father of Indian ecology. He is considered as father of Indian ecology. He is born on 26th August 1908. He was born on 26th August 1908. Okay. And he finished his graduation. He finished his PhD in ecology. He finished his PhD in ecology under the leadership of Pearsall, who is FRS at Leeds University, UK. Under the leadership of a scientist, Pearsall, who is a FRS at the Leeds University, UK. He has finished his PhD. After finishing a PhD in ecology, he came back to India and he is a person who established teaching and research wing. He is a person who established teaching and research wing in the Department of Botany at Banaras Hindu University, which is the first central university in India. So he came back to India after doing his PhD, and in the Banaras Hindu University, he established a teaching and research wing in the Department of Botany, at, so we have to write Banaras Hindu University, which is the first central university in India. Now, he also formulated the Master of Science in Ecology, means he has introduced MSc Ecology, specialization of MSc Ecology. Under his leadership, around 50 scholars took PhD in different fields of ecology. So he trained 50 scholars to receive PhDs. Okay, and what are his research areas? He worked mainly on 4 research areas. The first research area what he worked is understanding the tropical communities and their successions. So his first research area is understanding tropical communities and their successions. So slowly we'll understand what is a community. So tropical, temperate, Arctic, Antarctic areas like that. In a tropical community, how does the plant succession goes on? How does the plant development goes on? In this area, he did his research. And the second area, what he did his research is environmental responses of plant populations. His second research topic is environmental responses of plant populations. Means to the various environmental factors like light, temperature, pH, soil, how will the plant population respond? It is his second topic of research. And he worked on productivity, the third topic. He worked on the productivity, the third topic. And the fourth topic he worked is nutrient cyclings in tropical forests and evergreen forests. So his fourth topic is how does the nutrients recycled in an ecosystem like a tropical forest or a grassland ecosystem. And grassland ecosystems. So these are the areas where he worked on. So he developed understanding like how tropical communities will develop in their way of succession. The second one, how plant communities will respond to different environmental factors. And what is the productivity of a particular ecosystem, how much it produces. The last one, how does the nutrient are getting recycled in an ecosystem like a tropical forest or grassland ecosystems. And coming to the awards and rewards, what he got. So he got fellowship of Indian National Science Academy, he got fellowship from the Indian National Science Academy. He also got the fellowship of World Academy of Arts and Sciences, World Academy of Arts and Sciences. On top of this, he got a prestigious Sanjay Gandhi Award related to the environmental development and progression. So he got prestigious Sanjay Gandhi Award in protection of the environment. He got prestigious Sanjay Gandhi Award in the protection of the environment. Like understanding his efforts in the environment, the Indian government has established a national committee for environmental planning and research. Understanding his works, what did the Indian government do? Indian government has established a national committee of environment and of environmental protection. So we can write like, so understanding his interest in environment, so the Indian government has established National Committee for Environmental Planning and Coordination. National Committee of Environmental Planning and Coordination. In the year, in which year the Indian government has started National Committee of Environmental Planning and Coordination? In the year 1972. So which only became now the Ministry of Environment and Forest. Now in recent days we call it as Ministry of Environment and Forest, which was established. It got converted into Ministry of Environment and Forest in the year 1984. In the year 1984, and he passed away in the year 1998. So since in the previous NEET papers we have seen they are asking about the information related to the scientists, and there are 10 units. So before starting every unit we need to study about a scientist. So here we have collected all the information and just we are reading about the information related to Ramdeo Mishra. Who is he? He is father of Indian ecology. So in which field he has done his PhD? He has done his PhD in ecology. Where? At Leeds University. And he came back to Banaras Hindu University in the Department of Botany. He established training and research wing. He is also the founder for MSc Ecology. And under his leadership, 50 people has received their doctorates. Now after that, what are the areas he worked? Understanding tropical communities and their succession, productivity, and understanding the environmental responses towards plant population. And even he studied like nutrient cyclings in different ecosystems like grassland ecosystem, tropical ecosystem. What are the awards he got? He got the fellowship from the National Science Academy. He got fellowship from the World Academy of Arts and Sciences, and he got Sanjay Gandhi Award. And then we are talking about like recognizing his works. The Indian government has established a committee, National Committee of Environmental Planning and Coordination in the year 1972, which only later got modified to Ministry of Environment and Forest in the 1984, and we finally tell that he passed away in the year 1988. So this is the information related to Ramdeo Mishra. Now in the next session we will start with the exact chapter, Organisms and Population, which goes with 13.1 and 13.2. 13.1 is organisms and their interaction, abiotic and biotic interactions. So if you like the content, you can like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.